Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel The Trading Line. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel and like the video, and we have given the Telegram group link in the description, so make use of it. So first we will see the Nifty position today based on the price action. So yesterday if you see, that was a huge consolidation in this zone. So whoever done some straddle or strangle yesterday, they could have made a good profit. And today the market exactly opened at this position, so it's around 50 or 30 points up. So that is not much gap up. So morning itself the market started to consolidate, and in case if you have taken some position yesterday, you would have enjoyed that decay. But unfortunately now a lot of people are doing some intraday positions, so I'm not sure how many of you can able to enjoy that decay, but I have taken some overnight positions on Nifty based on some analysis. So we will get to that in this video itself after some time. But before that, I will discuss this one, the Nifty first. So if you see the Nifty based on the price action today, once this low is broken, you can short the market, and your stop loss should be above this candle, and you can able to capture this many points. So it's around 80 points today. And moreover, as we said before, so in case if you are going to capture this kind of trend, you have to trial your stop loss. So once this low is broken, what you have to do is you have to move your stop loss from here to here, and then based on your risk appetite, you may consider this level. So this was the previous candle, which was so previous breakout, which has given the good rally. So I think we discussed this in one of our early video, like this formed as a triangle pattern, and from there the breakout happened, and it went up to the huge rally. So this level again acted as a good support today, and from there the market started to reverse. So once the Nifty touched this zone, you should have closed your position, or else however you tried your stop loss up to this level, so your stop loss got hit and you came out of the trade. So that's all about the price action today. And if you see the CPR, so today Nifty got the narrow CPR. So once this reversal happened, you can enter, and you can keep your stop loss above this R1 level. And today if you see, the market came down and again it went up. So these are the areas where you can average your positions, or else you can just leave it to the market, because average in the sense, not in this particular green candle. So after that some reversal happened, it came back and give a close here, right? In this red candle you can average, not on this green candle, because we don't know on the time when the market was running whether it will go upside and it will hit our stop loss, or it will come down. Okay, so you have to average your position once you see this red candle close. Before that you should not do anything, so you should wait for the market to react. So your first entry based on the CPR is this place. So once this kind of reversal happened, you can enter at this place, and then you can keep your stop loss here, and your target will be, since this CPR is very narrow, you can keep your target at S1 levels. So as expected, market came up to this level and it touched. So this is the place where you can exit your position, because we don't know whether the market will get reversed from here or not, because once market touched this level, it formed a green candle. So even I thought the market is going to reverse back and again go to the CPR, but it didn't happen. By the way, we can able to capture some profit from here to here, right? So that's more than enough. Okay, if we miss this kind of things, there's no need to worry, because that is how the market will work, and that is how we have to trade. Okay, we have some rules and we have to follow that strictly. So this is for this one, option buying. So today in option selling, in Nifty expiry, have done a lot of things. So if you see, I have yesterday itself I have taken some overnight positions. And if you see, what I did is, based on some range, I have sold some out of the money call option, put option. So I have taken this range, and the upside I have taken this range 18,500, and downside I've taken this one 18,250. So I sold call option 18,500 call option and 18,250 call option yesterday morning itself, and in this huge consolidation I made a good profit yesterday itself. So I thought of, okay, so market ended here, so if you consider upside and downside, we have around 150 or 100 point cushion for us. So even though if the market is going to gap down for 150 points, I'll be safe, because this call option will decay very fast, and this put option is not going to get much premium, because since today is the expiry. So I just thought of leave it. Okay, in case if some big gap down is going to happen like 200 points, 300 points, then only my position will be in trouble. But even on corona time, the maximum gap down happened was around 300 points, so I don't think so that kind of gap down is going to happen. And moreover, yesterday itself the market got stabilized, so I thought of taking the overnight portion. So that is the reason behind it. And today if you see the market just opened at this place, so not much gap up or gap down, and a huge consolidation happened at this place. So this position I have placed to get around 2.5% return morning itself. So once the market opened, I got around 1.75, around 2% once the market got opened. So I thought of just leave the position as it is, because what I thought is maybe normal days what I will do is, so once I got 2% profit, I will book the position and I will move it a little bit closer. Let's say for I will close this 18,250 and I will move the put option to 18,300. The same thing I will do in the call option as well. So 18,500 I will close and I will move it to 18,450. But what will happen is in Fin Nifty, it's very volatile like Bank Nifty, and most of the time my stop loss will keep on get hit in either side. So I need to adjust the position continuously. So I don't want to do that today because I'm totally tired and I don't want to do that. So that's why I just simply sit and I just watch the market. So the market was consolidate between this range, and I just marked some important level. So I marked this one as a very important level and this one as the second important level. So once this level is got broken, I didn't get panic. I was just simply sitting. I didn't do any adjustment today. Okay, not at all. Even when the market touched this place, I didn't do any adjustments. So and here, once this level is broken and some consolidation happened, so I thought the market will reverse from this place. But unfortunately, what happened in a one candle itself, it's just fall drastically, 48 to 50 points. But what I did is, I just simply said I didn't do anything, because I know very well that the market is going to turn around. It's because I'm comparing the Bank Nifty and Nifty with this chart. So that is the only reason. So if we compare here, so Bank Nifty exactly at S1 and Nifty is going to touch the S2. So if you compare this and this with Fin Nifty, there are a lot of chances that the Fin Nifty may go from here to maybe another 10 to 15 points. Up to this level it can come. From there it will reverse. Okay, in case if some if in case if this reversal didn't happen today and the Fin Nifty reached this level, that is 18,225 or 200, then only I will start to do my adjustment. It is because I have good cushion here. Even though even if the Fin Nifty is going to expire at this place 200 to 250, I would have made a good profit today. Okay, so instead of 2%, that might be around 2.5%. That might be around 1.5% or 1%. Okay, so that's why I just want to wait for the market reaction. But unfortunately, nothing happened. So from there, it again returned and it touched the CPR. And here again, some breakout happened. I thought, okay, the market will, after this breakout, the market will go up and it will, again touch this position. But I didn't do anything because I compare Nifty at the time. So at the time exactly, the Nifty touches the CPR. So it touched the CPR and I thought, okay, so from CPR some reversal may happen. Either I was just waiting for the Nifty result. But what happened after this candle, it went up in this red candle, it went up to this level. And after that, again, a sell off happened and it formed like a doji kind of candle. Then I thought, okay, from there the market is going to reverse, so no need to do any adjustments. So today in Nifty, I haven't done any adjustments, so I can able to make a profit of around 2.5%. So maybe in case if you are working or you are not interested, doing active adjustments, then you can, deploy some strategy which is giving you around 1% or 1.5% return a week. So if you do that in the week starting itself, maybe you will make 1% or 1.5% every week. Maybe when you are going to have some issues, let's say like this Adani issue or some Corona issue, that time maybe a huge gap down will happen. That time you can adjust the position by using the rest of the capital you have. So as we discussed before in our previous video, you have to deploy only 50% of your capital to do all this trading, and from that if you are able to make 1% or 2%, that's more than enough. So if you are making 1% in a week for one expiry, so we have two expiries in a week, fin nifty expiry and nifty and bank nifty expiry. So if you can able to make 1% in every expiry, then and so eventually you will make 8% in a month. So in some of the expiry, if you are not able to make that, so maximum you can make up to 4 to 5% in a month. So that's more than enough, because in 2 years your capital will get double. So since I'm advising you guys to keep your 50% capital for adjustment, so I won't do that. So I'll deploy all my capital into a single trade, and in case if it goes wrong, then I know how to do adjustments, and how to come out of this position with minimum loss or minimum profit. So that's why I'm just deploying all my capital in one go. In case if you don't have that experience, don't do that. Just be in a very conservative mode. Don't get stressed. Okay, be happy with what you are getting. So that's more than, so if whenever your expectation is less, that then only your peace begins. So I hope this video is very useful to you guys. Thanks for watching. So please share this to your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.